Hi friend, welcome in this episode. In this episode, I will discuss about one of the change that I am noticing since budget announcement, that the profit and loss of part trade has significantly increased. That means the market range has expanded and our profit and loss jumped from single digit that was around 8,000, 6,000, 5,000 to double digit like 11,000, 12,000, and 15,000, like that. Now both the risks and reward has changed significantly, but I expect that now from this point onward the magnitude of the profit and loss to reduce into the single digit number. I expect the risk part rate should decrease from now onward. And so far, in the month of February, we have at 32,150 rupees profit. Today we have a 12,100 profit, but before that we have a two big losses. One is 16,000 losses, one is 11,000 losses. As I mentioned that the magnitude has increased. It's earlier it was in single digit mostly, but now since the budget announcement and the big profit of 50,000 in one trade on the day of budget, the amount of profit and loss both has increased. Now after we netted 42,850 in the month of January, in this tracker I have mentioned how everything trade by trade, and this month till date we have 32,100 profit. Now how you will do this trade? You will do this trade using this Excel sheet where you have to enter a couple of data to check what is the best set of actions you should take today based on different plan, and all your trading guide is here. I will explain you shortly with the today's trade example exactly what to do. But before that, one question you should ask me, that how and why I will believe that whatever the profit and loss I am showing here is actually happen in the market. Now, when I started personally trading, I had the similar questions when my mentor used to show me some trading setup that he used to claim has significant profit. Now I had questions that time in my mind, that how I believe. Exactly this is the reason we have created this Excel sheet. Now what is the benefit of having a Excel sheet? Now those who trade using this Excel sheet, they install this Excel sheet in their desktop, and they can always input the data and check trade by trade what happened past. Because the Excel is installed with them, I have no way change the result, and it is not possible. So the power is in your hand. The Excel sheet is with you. You have to enter the data to validate the check. Now the result, whatever I am saying, the January and February result and the 2020 result, last year result, which is mentioned in this 60-minute expert guide, where I have mentioned how to exactly do this, and I also mentioned all the possible setup including the 2020's result. Now you can download this ebook, that is 60-minute expert guide. The link is under description, and you can download this Banknifty Trading Pro Excel, and you can check what was the trade, no matters how much previous data you analyze. It is all the power is in your hand. Now I will show you today how exactly today's trade was happening, so that when you will be ready to trade with this type of time tested method, clear strategy and consistent result, you will feel it is very comfortable. Now for that I will delete all the data first. Once I will delete all this data, you will find that under step 2 there is no condition because I didn't enter any data. Now what you have to do, very simple, you have to enter the first 15-minute candle open, high, low, close and 8-period exponential moving average data. Now this is the first candle. After this candle will close, it will close at 9:30 and you will enter the data after the 9:30. This is also has a significant benefit trading this type of style because you always know that you have to work at 9:30, 2 minutes of time, and you will enter the data, find the date, put the order, and you are ready for the day. Shut down the computer and you are done. That is the beauty of this type of systematic trading using a time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. Now I will enter the data of the first candle open. The first candle open was, once I will enter the data, then I will check here, which is now blank, what is the conditions today. Now this Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10 is designed such a way that it will always guide you exactly what is the best way to attempt this market. Now what is the open for the day? The open was 37540. I have entered 37540. What was the sorry, I believe I made some mistake. Okay, the open was 36455, 36455, and the high was 36863, 863.60, and the low was 36423, 36423.45, and what is the close? The close was 36855.85. And what is the 8 EMA data? The 8 EMA data was 36293.69. Done. Where is the 8 EMA data? Here you will see the 8 EMA data. When I will place the cursor over here, it shows 36293.69, and that's the data all you have to enter. The open is 36455, right? The high is 36863.60, correct? And the low was 36423.45, and the close was 36855.85, and 8-period exponential is 36 to 93.69. Once you enter the data, then you have to move to step 2, and you will find that today it says conditions 1 is valid, and it says that you have to check conditions 1 tab. Now you have to go to the conditions 1 tab to identify what was the trading plan today. As it mentioned that you have to place a buy order at 36867 and you have to place a sell order at 36420. Now you need to enter both this buy order and sell order. Remember, when you will enter both the buy order and sell order, you will recover only one side margin. You will the broker account will, or the trading account will not asking you to give you margin for two lot. It will be a buy order, it will be a sell order, and you will recover only one side of margin. Number one. Number two, one of the problem you probably find that placing the stop loss we hesitate. That means we enter the trade and then place the stop loss. Now there is a problem. Our stop loss should be placed as soon as we enter the enter the trade. In this system, when you are placing a buy order and a sell order, the moment one of the order will execute, the another order which is still pending will immediately start acting as a stop loss. This is the one of the quickest way to fix the problem that we hesitate to place the stop loss. The stop loss is actually placed with the order when you enter the trade and you always remain protected. Now if I show you what was the trade today, and so your buy order should be at 36867 and your sell order will be at 36420. Now I will change this to line to make you understand where was the buy order. The buy order was 36867 and this was the your buy order, and your sell order was at 3636420, and this was your sell order. As you can understand that shortly after that market take the buy order. As soon as your buy order has been executed here, this order started acting as a protected sell stop. Now your risk is limited to that. Now you have to move to exit plan. What is the exit plan today? It's clearly mentioned exit if buy order triggered at 315. For those who are very conservative, they should place a 448 point target, but I recommend if you already trading it for a month or so, and because you have a if you able to follow the strategy with a 100% discipline, then you must have a profit balance and you should not go with the conservative approach. Now, as it is mentioned that the buy order trigger, if the buy order trigger, then you should exit at 315. So what was the price of 315? Now, the price of the 315 was around this level. This was the around this level you will exit the trade. So where you will enter? You will enter around 36,867. You will exit at 37 around 353. With that your entry is around 36,867 and your exit is around 37,351. We have a 484 point profit, that is 12,100 profit by a single lot. Now I understand that uh, a trading strategy always give profit, but we fail to follow this strategy. Now recently I identifying this problem, I started working with few trader. To install discipline in their trading. I call it trading discipline habit stacking, and this process enable a trader to trade with a discipline. Now there is a certain tools, tricks and methodology which actually if you follow, there is certain checklist, there is certain challenges. If you do those checklist and challenges step by step, then I believe that you will the you will able to install the discipline in your trading. So with this I will end today's episode, and I appreciate your time with me. I enjoy time with you too. Take care. Good night. I will come out with update as and when in next we should have a trade. Goodbye. Take care.